How to log in Starling Bank online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can log in to the Starling Bank online banking account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into the Starling Bank online banking account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now, online banking simply means that having the ability to make transfers online, and for this you might have already signed up for a bank account as well as an online banking account, and only then you will be able to log in. So to do this, go to starlingbank.com. Then make sure to tap the two lines option from the top right hand side here, and here you'll find the option that says log into online banking. So make sure to tap the log into online banking option here, and as you do that, you're going to be able to land on this page where you can simply tap the login option again. And when you tap the login option, make sure to enter your online banking details, which could be many of the other details over here. So you can enter your email address, or you can also open in the app, and then from there onwards you should be able to go ahead and then log in to your Starling Bank online banking account. This way you can log into Starling Bank online banking account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.